Hi there, this is Greg from Sticky Wicked Designs. Just going to do a quick video tutorial on using the gallery module for CMS Made Simple. This is a nice development that I think I first came across it about a year ago. That is a wonderful replacement for the album module. Album module had tremendous limitations, and the gallery module simply is a huge improvement over that. So we're going to take a look at just managing, so creating, embedding the necessary code just to get it to display on a page, and adding images, titles, stuff like that to be able to customize. The version that we are looking at, we'll just take a quick look here under our extensions, modules. Let's see which version we're running. I believe the latest is 1.4, and the version that we're doing this test or demo on is version earlier, 1.3.2. So we can see right here. So once you have it installed, you find the gallery module under Content Gallery. And we will see we've got a few galleries listed here. And I'm going to go to the main gallery and tell it that I want to create another subgallery to go with the other ones that are there. And we're going to call this one Test. So new directory name, Test, gallery title, Test images. So the directory, that's the actual folder that's going to get created. The title, that's the title that would be displayed on a page where you're displaying that particular gallery or album. Description. This is just the description for the gallery itself, not for the images. This is a description for the and we apply our formatting the same way we would if we were just editing anything else on a page. I'm going to leave it as default for the WYSIWYG editor, and I'm going to say hide link to parent gallery because I don't want to display a link they can click to go back to see a list of all the galleries kind of thing. So that's it. It's been saved. Now I can take a look. We see this beginning of a table row and add images. So I'm going to click on add images, and then you browse on your computer to find a folder with the images you want to upload. And I've got a few here. So the thing I love with this upload module is that I can do multiple images at once. So I'm going to select 9 here. Say open. It says add images and 10 megabyte max, so this is how many you can do at one time. It just crawls through. It's actually generating the thumbnails as it goes, popping them in the appropriate folder, and it's getting everything else. So we are at 9 images now. So now that that's been done, in this older version you then have to click save. In the latest version, 1.4, it will automatically then reload that page to give you the list of the images like we're going to look at right now. So here's a list of all the images that it's created. It gives us a file name. We can type in a title. Description for oven hearth. I can scroll over. I could set that image to be the album cover. I'm not going to click on that just yet. I'm just going to hit save here, and this will save that information that I just typed in. So I could have edited the entire page, so for every image, a description and a title, and then hit save, and that information would then be saved. I could set an album cover. This only applies if you're looking at kind of a root folder, like the main gallery, that would then list the fact that you have 4 or 5 albums within it. Each of those albums that would be listed would then use that thumbnail image as the default for it. And what else would I like to do? Oh, well, let's take a look at how they handle the changing the order of images. As you can see, I can just click and drag an image to another position on a page or somewhere else on this list. Hit save. So I've got 5 and 7 at the top now, where 9 was at the top before. Let's scroll down, take a look, and there we go. 5 and 7 have now been moved up to the top. A note, in 1.4 this appears to be broken at the moment, so wait for another iteration for this sort order or the ability to override the ordering to be corrected. At present, it is broke, at least in another installation that I was recently checking on. So that's the basics. We've simply added 9 images to a new gallery. Now we have to go and actually place it somewhere. So we're going to go back to the list page here. This lists them all. It also gives us the tag that we would have to put in place on a page in order to actually display some of this information. So I'm going to grab the code for the test gallery. Then I'm going to go to my content pages. I'm going to look under resources because that's where I'm playing around. Oh, I still had this code sitting there from before. From the first run through on this. So I would just highlight, paste, put it in. It's the same code because I didn't change much. Hit submit. Brings me back to a list of my pages. I see test, and I'm going to use this little preview button over here. It's going to open up that page for me to view. And here we go. We can see the ordering has been utilized. There's the description for the one that I did type in. I click on an image, and there's my gallery, and then I can use the arrows on my keyboard to navigate. So just by using the right left arrows, I can move forward or back within the current gallery that I'm viewing. And because I had a title typed in for this particular one, we can see that being displayed just below the image. On the ones where I didn't have a title, I've adjusted the template so if there was no title specified to not display the file name, because I didn't like that. I just felt it was a little bit sloppy, so I got rid of that within the template itself. So that's it. That's how you use the gallery module. Hope that helps, and we'll see you on the next one.